Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about right outer join. In last classes, what is meant by join and two different types of joins. One is the inner join, second one is the outer join. Inner join again different types of things: cross product, natural join, conditional join, equi join. Okay, whereas in the outer join is three different types of things. One is the left outer join, second one is the right outer join, and third one is a full outer join. Outer join, the main purpose of outer join is to find the missing the information. Okay, what is meant by right outer join? Observe here in this class, we will discuss about the right outer join. Before going to the right outer join, keep in your mind what is meant by join. That is a join is equal to cross product plus condition. Place a very important rule: cross product plus condition. Left outer join and right outer join and full outer join. What is my left outer join? Take all tuples in the left relation that did not match any tuple in the right relation is nothing but left outer join. Whereas in the right outer join, take all tuples in the right relation that did not match any tuple in the left relation is nothing but right outer join. What is my full outer join? The combination of left outer and right outer is nothing but full outer join. Clear? That is a left outer join, and then observe here two tables. One is a employee table and then second one is a FT works. Okay, why we can go for the two tables? Observe here, employee name having employee name, street, city, FT works having employee name, branch name, salary. Here in employee table, what is the employee name, and then whereas in the FT works also employee name. Common columns in common attributes is nothing but join operation. Okay, whereas in the right outer join, first one is a join operation, and then is there any missing tuples? Observe here, that is a first one, employee name, street, city, E name, and then branch name, and then salary. Employee name, and then street, city, and then branch name, salary. Branch name, salary. First column, employee name, second column, street, third column, city, fourth column, branch name, last column, salary. That is a right outer join. What is a right outer join definition? Take all tuples in the right relation did not match any tuple in the left relation is nothing but that is a right outer join. Observe here, first one is a coate and then coate common column in common values. Observe here, coate common. Whereas in the rabbit in employee table and then rabbit in FT works also same. That's why second one same. And then third one Smith and then Gates not equal. And then fourth one is a Williams in employee table, Williams in FT works also same. What is a common values in common columns? That is a join operation, right? One by one. First one is a coate Toon Hollywood. Coate Toon Hollywood. Coate Toon Hollywood. And then Mesa 1500. Branch name is the Mesa 1500. Why? Because observe here, coate in this table also common value coate. That's why coate Toon Hollywood Mesa 1500. That is a first row or first tuple. Whereas the second one rabbit in employee table having rabbit value, whereas in the FT works also rabbit same. That's why we choose rabbit. Second one rabbit, and then tunnel Carretville, tunnel Carretville, and then Mesa 1300. Mesa 1300. Why? Because observe here, common columns. What is the common columns? Employee name is a common column. column or attribute. Here Coed common, rabbit, and then Williams, and then Coed, rabbit, Williams. And what is here? Smith, and then here Gates will not match. That's why that is a right outer join. Takes all tuples in the right relation, did not match any tuple in the left relation. Is nothing but right outer join. And what is the third one? Common value is the Williams C view. Williams C view. Williams C view. Williams C view. Settle. And then Redmond 1500. Redmond 1500. Up to here, that is up to 3, that is a join. Why? Because cross product plus condition, join operation. Common values in common columns in common values. What is the common values? Coed, and then rabbit, and then Williams. But whereas in the observe here, Smith and then Gates did not match with any tuple in the right relation. What is the right outer join? Take all tuples in the right relation, did not match any tuple in the left relation, adding null values. Is nothing but right outer join. Whereas in the left outer join, taking all tuples in the left relation that did not match any tuple in the right relation, adding the null values. Is nothing but left outer join. I think you are familiar that in last class left outer join. In right outer join is the, and what is the last tuples? Smith, and then revolves. Observe here, Smith. What is that? Smith revolves death value. Revolves death value is a null value. Why? Because did not match. Null. We add null values. And then next one is the here Redmond 15. Redmond, and then 5300. 5300. Okay. This is the right outer join. Okay, right outer join. What is meant by right outer join? Take all rows in the right relation, did not match with the any tuple in the left relation, is nothing but right outer join. Okay, what is the syntax? Right outer join syntax. Select ename, street, city from EMP right outer join. You keep in your right outer join. Whereas in the left outer join, you mention left outer join. For suppose full outer join, you write instead of right outer join, full outer join. FT works on what is a emp.ename equal to ftworks.ename. emp.ename equal to ftworks.ename is nothing but that is a right outer join. What is my full outer join? The combination of left outer join and right outer join is nothing but full outer join. Okay, observe here one more example. What is the example here? GATE, Data Science and Artificial Intelligence 2024. GATE 2024. Given the question, what is that? Consider the following two tables, rider and team. Here, rider ID is a primary key. Rider is a primary key, already given primary key. Okay, what is here ID? This ID is references to the, that is a rider table. References is nothing but foreign key. References is nothing but foreign key. And what is here? Two tables. One table is a rider, second table is a team. Already given the table. And what is the question? Select star from rider, comma, team, where rider.id equal to team.id and city equal to Jaipur and rate points greater than 200. What is the output? That is a given question. What is that? Keep in your mind that is a team table and then rider table. Actually, SQL query already given. And what is the output of this value? That is a GATE 2024 2 marks question. Okay, simple question. Keep in your mind what is a join. Join is nothing but cross product plus some condition. Okay, select star from rider comma team. And what is a rider comma team? What is that operation? This operation is a cross product. Cross product. What is meant by cross product? I think you are familiar that in last classes or previous videos. Observe here, this is one table, N. This is M table. N by M. Cross product is a N by M. What is the N table? That is a team. Team having how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows. That is a 6. And then the rider table also 6. That is a 6 by 6. That is how we can get 36 tuples in output. Cross product output is a 36 tuples. That is a simply we can write as that is a 36. Output is a cross product, output is a 36, where raid.id equal to team.id. What is a raid.id? That is a raid.id equal to team.id. And observe here, raid.id 1, matching the value 1, yes. Here 2, matching the value here, yes. And then 3, matching the value here, yes. And then 4, matching the value, yes. And then 5, matching the value here, yes. And then 6, matching the value. What is the, observe here, only matching the tuples what? How many? That is a 6 rows. Cross product is a 36 tuples. Whereas in the where condition, where write.id equal to team.id. What is the join operation? Cross product plus some condition. This is a cross product, output is a 36, but condition is the, what is the, based on the cross product plus condition, output is the 6 tuples. First one is a 6, 36, second one is a 6 tuples. And then continuation question, and city equal to Jaipur. What is the here? City equal to Jaipur 1, Jaipur 2, and then Jaipur 3. What is the city equal to Jaipur, and rate points greater than 200. Observe here, Jaipur 1, 2, 3. What is that here? Jaipur 2, here 1, Jaipur 6. What is here? 2, 1, 6. Observe here, Jaipur 2, Jaipur 1, Jaipur 6, 2, 1, 6. Observe here in this table, write a table 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 6. That is a rider equal to, city equal to Jaipur, and right points is greater than 200. Right points, that is a greater than 200. What is a 1? That is a 250. 2, 249. 6. What is here? 215. What are these three things? Greater than what? 200. Yes, greater than 200. What is the, how many tuples here? 3 tuples. How many tuples here? 3 tuples. That's why, what is the output? My output is, that is a 3. First answer is a correct one. Why? Because, observe here, select star from rider comma team, where rider.id equal to team.id. You can get that is a 36 tuples. Why? Because Cartesian product 36. Natural join. What is the natural join? Cross product plus condition. We can get that is a 6 tuples. And whereas the, and city equal to Jaipur, and rate point greater than 200, what is that? Output is a 3. That is the output is 3. This is a simple join operation. That is, a joins plays a very, very, very important role in gate point of view as well as UGC net point of view also. That is, a join is the mainly concentrate on 2 things. One is the inner join, second one is the outer join. Inner join is also called as a natural join. That is a, cross product, conditional join, equi join, natural join. That is under the inner join. Whereas in the outer join is 3 different types of things: left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Okay, in next class, what is meant by subquery? What are the different types of subqueries? Okay, and then in, not in, and then exist, not exist, that we will see in the further classes. Thank you.